To reset Google Assistant in your Samsung phone, if there is a problem in Google Assistant, what you need to do is you need to do two things. You need to clear the cache files and data for Google app, and then you need to again retrain your voice for Google Assistant. So first what we will do is we will open the settings here, and then we will go to apps. Open it. We will look for Google. Open it. After that, go to this option storage, select clear cache, and then clear data, and select delete. So once you have finished clearing the cache files, we will move towards the next step. For that one, we will open Google app, tap on the profile icon here, then go to settings, go to Google Assistant, select voice match and turn off, and then select this option turn off here. Once you have turned off the voice match, again go to voice match here, select setup, more, I agree. Now you have to say what is mentioned here. Okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And then done. Now you have reset Google Assistant in your Samsung phone. After resetting your Google Assistant, if you want to use it as a hands-free by just giving voice command, then you have to go to this Gemini icon, tap on the profile icon here, go to settings, go to this option talk to Gemini hands-free, and enable this option Hey Google. Select turn on, and then done. Now let me give a voice command. Hey Google. You can see Google Assistant will be activated. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.